Amanda Haynes, your Orlando realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Whether you're buying or selling, give me a call to get the best deal for your home. Hi guys, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers, and I'm here at the ALAFAYA Woods Community Park. I have a new listing in Oviedo. This is currently the only pool home listed in ALAFAYA Woods. You have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and not only do you have a pool, you also have a spa. As you come into the home, you're greeted by a very spacious living room with vaulted ceilings, beautiful laminate flooring, and your dining area here to your left. If you have children, you are zoned for Seminole County A schools, Stenstrom Elementary, Lawton Chiles Middle School, and Oviedo High School. You can admire all of the artwork that was done by hand. You have your birds in the trees and the deer in the woods. An organized closet. Dividing your 2 bedrooms, on this side of the home, you have a linen closet and a full-size bathroom with a shower tub combo. The bathroom countertops were recently updated. And we come into your jungle room, your 2nd bedroom, with a walk-in closet. So you have a split floor plan, which is really nice when you have a family. An eat-in kitchen, your 2-car garage, all of your appliances are included. You have your quartz countertops, tile backsplash, and ceramic tile flooring. Not only do you have your refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, and microwave included, you also have your washer and dryer. We then come into our family room. And your owner's suite. A nice big walk-in closet. And in your bathroom you have the double vanity and a walk-in shower. You have 1,518 square feet of living space. And a lot of your big ticket items are already taken care of for you, including your AC, roof, gutters, water heater, and as I take you outside, you'll see a brand new screened enclosure, including the child safety gate, a fully fenced backyard, brand new pool liner, solar heating, and a hot tub to enjoy all year long. HOA is only $185 a year. There's a playground, picnic tables, basketball, and tennis courts to enjoy. My name's Amanda Haynes. To schedule a tour, give me a call. Bye-bye.